Have you ever wondered how your refrigerator knows when it is too warm or too cold? One small component is responsible for measuring temperature and sending that information to the refrigerator's control system. That component is called a thermistor. What is a refrigerator thermistor? A refrigerator thermistor is a temperature-sensing device. It is usually a small electronic sensor with two wires, and it can be located in different areas of the refrigerator depending on the model. You may find thermistors in the fresh food compartment, freezer compartment, evaporator area, or near the air ducts. The thermistor monitors the temperature in that specific area and sends an electrical signal to the refrigerator's control board. Think of the thermistor as the refrigerator's temperature sensor. What does a thermistor do? The main job of a thermistor is to sense temperature changes. As the temperature around the thermistor changes, its electrical resistance changes. The refrigerator's control board monitors this change and uses it to determine how warm or cold the refrigerator is. For example, if the refrigerator becomes too warm, the control system can use the thermistor's signal to determine that more cooling is needed. When the desired temperature is reached, the control system can adjust or stop cooling as needed. So, even though the thermistor is a small component, it plays an important role in controlling the refrigerator's temperature. What is its main function? The main function of a refrigerator thermistor is to measure temperature and provide the control board with information about that temperature. The control board uses this information to control different refrigerator functions. Depending on the refrigerator design, thermistor readings can help control things such as compressor operation, evaporator fan operation, defrost operation, cooling cycles, temperature regulation. Some refrigerators have multiple thermistors, with each one monitoring a different area or component. How do you know if a thermistor has stopped working? A failed thermistor can cause several different problems. One common symptom is that the refrigerator is too warm or too cold, even though the temperature setting appears to be correct. Another symptom is that the compressor may run too long, not run long enough, or cycle incorrectly. You may also notice that the freezer temperature is inconsistent, or that the refrigerator compartment isn't maintaining the correct temperature. In some models, a failed thermistor can also cause a fault or error code to appear on the display. Signs of a bad thermistor. Here are some common signs to look for. The refrigerator is too warm. The thermistor may not be correctly detecting the temperature, causing the control system to incorrectly manage the cooling system. The refrigerator is too cold. A thermistor that is giving an incorrect reading can cause the cooling system to operate longer than necessary. The compressor runs continuously. If the control board thinks the refrigerator hasn't reached the correct temperature, it may continue calling for cooling. Temperature fluctuates. The refrigerator may alternate between being too warm and too cold because the temperature information isn't accurate. An error code appears. Some refrigerators can detect an open, shorted, or abnormal thermistor circuit and display an error code. How can you test a thermistor? If you suspect a thermistor is bad, it can usually be tested with a multimeter. First, disconnect power from the refrigerator before accessing the sensor. Then locate the thermistor and disconnect its wiring connector. Set your multimeter to the resistance, or ohms, setting. Measure the resistance across the thermistor terminals. A thermistor's resistance should change as its temperature changes. The exact resistance value depends on the refrigerator model and the type of thermistor being used. That's why it's important to check the manufacturer's service information or technical sheet for the correct resistance specifications at a specific temperature. If the thermistor is completely open, shows a short circuit, or its resistance does not change as temperature changes, the thermistor may be defective. Don't replace a thermistor based only on the symptom. Problems such as a warm refrigerator or excessive cooling can also be caused by other components, including the control board, evaporator fan, defrost system, airflow problems, or sealed system issues. Always test the thermistor and compare its resistance to the manufacturer's specifications. A refrigerator thermistor is a temperature sensor. Its job is to monitor temperature and send that information to the refrigerator's control system. Its main function is to help the refrigerator maintain the correct temperature by allowing the control board to make decisions about cooling and other operations. And if the thermistor fails, you may notice incorrect temperatures, excessive cooling, temperature fluctuations, a compressor that runs too much or too little, or an error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more refrigerator and appliance repair videos. Thanks for watching.